Benny and the Dancing Cookies. One rainy afternoon, Benny sighed, "I'm bored." His grandma suggested baking cookies. He mixed sugar, flour, and chocolate chips, humming as he worked. But when he opened the oven, something unbelievable happened. The cookies jumped out. "Hey, Benny," one cookie chirped. "We're alive, and we want to dance." Benny's jaw dropped as the cookies twirled on the counter, tapping their crunchy little feet. They sang a silly tune. Crunch, munch, chocolate bunch. Benny laughed until his belly hurt. Suddenly, the fridge creaked open. A lonely milk carton moaned, "Nobody ever invites me to play." The cookies gasped. "You're right. Every cookie needs a glass of milk." They all cannonballed into a tall glass, splashing milk everywhere. Benny giggled and joined their dance, spinning around the kitchen. When Grandma returned, all she saw was Benny sipping milk and smiling with a plate of cookies that looked like they were winking. She never knew that. For one rainy afternoon, Benny's kitchen turned into the funniest cookie dance party in the world.